Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your daily screencast for Wednesday, May 6th and Thursday, May 7th. So today we are wrapping up our mole and chemical reactions unit. You're going to be completing the moles and chemical reaction quiz review from your packet, and I'll kind of talk you through how to get through that and what to look out for. So let's jump into Schoology, see what this kind of looks like. Obviously we have our screencast here, your attendance question you'll also make sure to get done, and then I will note again, if you have not done the reactants, products, and leftovers FET, that you make sure to get that done this week and get that signature signed off so you can be one step closer to finishing this big FET project. So the mole quiz review is basically like what we've done in the past, where it's kind of replacing a big quiz. Instead of having to worry about proctoring a quiz and all that sort of stuff, we're just making you do the review and calling that good for assessing your knowledge. So you'll find two things attached to the Schoology assignment. The actual review itself, if you're not doing it directly out of the packet, because it was in the mailer packet. And you'll also see a PowerPoint. So let's actually look at that PowerPoint really quick. On the first two slides, it just talks to you about like, what are you doing? A big picture in each of these sections. In this first section here, you'll be using the word bank to help fill in the blanks. In this section right here, you'll have to balance some equations, and on the right side, you'll have to identify what type of reaction it is. This section right here is straight off of your notes and kind of like the equations that you need to know in order to do these kinds of problems. And I have it kind of listed here. And then this last section is kind of putting everything together. So this is kind of a summation of everything that we've done in terms of like formula mass, moles, and types of reactions, and so on and so forth. So on the PowerPoint, I just have some walkthrough problems at first. If you're having some trouble getting started, I recommend kind of going through and seeing what was the process for me getting the answers that I put in. And then I have answers. So same thing as usual. I expect you to go through and attempt this quiz on your own and then make any corrections. And it's awesome. I really do enjoy seeing when you actually go through and I see that you've crossed stuff out and it's in a different color when you've made those corrections. It shows me that you're really trying hard and trying to assess that learning for yourself. So don't feel bad about like having to go through and erase or do it in a different color. I actually really enjoy seeing that. But that's really all we got for today. You'll complete this review. It will take a little bit of time because there's a lot of content on it and there's a lot of math and working through. But do remember that you have the opportunity to check all of your work once you are done using this PowerPoint, and you get to assess your knowledge and see if you are really understanding the chemical reactions and the mole stuff that we wanted you to understand for this unit. And that's it. So attendance question, quiz review, take pictures of this, submit it to Schoology, and then make sure that if you haven't done the FET yet that you complete that for this week. I hope you all are well, and that's all we got for today. So we'll see you next time, folks. Bye!